As you Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion World with GP, and in today's video I'm going to create a glam makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, starting with Pond's Super Light Gel. It is so good and it is non-sticky and best moisturizer for winter, and it is for all skin types. I'm applying the moisturizer all over my face. My skin feels so hydrated after applying this. For lips, I'm taking Vaseline. Now let's start with color correction. So for color correction, I'm taking this Inside Pro Concealer Palette. I'm taking the orange color corrector from the Inside Cosmetics palette. So I'm applying the orange color corrector on those areas where I have pigmentation. As you all can see here, I have a very small pimple. So to hide this pimple, I will apply this green corrector. Orange color corrector can hide your pigmentation, but green color corrector is for hiding your redness. Like if you have red pimples, then you can apply this green corrector. It will hide them. So color correction is done. Now to hide this color correction, I'm taking this Lotus concealer. Applying the Lotus concealer in the eyelids, lower eye, in the nose, upper lips, forehead. Now I'm blending the concealer by using a damp beauty blender. Guys, now it's time for the foundation, and for foundation I'm using this Swiss Beauty High Coverage Foundation. The shade is 07 Natural Buff. So let's apply the foundation. I'm applying the foundation with the help of brush. After that, I'm blending the foundation nicely. Now again it's time for the concealer. Now after the concealer, for contour, I'm taking this brown shade. Now it's time for the blush. We'll set the look by using this Lakme compact powder. Now we will use makeup fixer. Time for the eyebrows. So guys, eyebrow is also done. Now it's time for the eye makeup. So I'm setting the eye base by using this Lakme compact powder first. After that, I'm taking a black pencil and applying it in my eyelid. Now take the black eyeshadow. This is from Makeup Revolution palette, and applying over the black pencil that I have applied before. Taking some brown eyeshadow and blending it with the black eyeshadow like this. Now I'm taking this glitter glue. This is the favorite part, to apply glitters over eyeshadow. So I'm taking the glitter glue and applying it over the eyelids. I'm taking this black glitter and a fluffy brush. I'm lining my lower eyeline by using the same black pencil. I'm not making the lower eyeline too dark. It's time for the lipstick. No lip liner today. I'm taking a very light lipstick as our eye look is so dark. Okay, so dark eye look at the same time dark lipstick, it will not look good, I think. That's why I'm taking a light nude lipstick, and this is from my Glam. Now time for mascara. What just happened? Lastly, applying a highlighter. And one last time to set the whole look, applying makeup fixer. So the final look is